Okay, this is the Unitron 45 kVA frequency converter. So basically, we have the lid taken off, as you can see, and right now we are feeding it 480 volts. And you can actually modify this input power right here to various input voltages. Okay, so right now we got it set up for 480. Here's the data tag. Okay. And we got a load bank connected to it right now.
Yeah, it's bypass. They can always remove it, but it's bypass.
Okay, and where is that located? I didn't quite see.
Right here.
Ah, those two guys, okay. And that's E and F, but yeah, there's your ABC, and then this is your input. That's your input from like your hanger, basically. Ours is the shop, but same thing. Okay, so here we are on the screen. Now, it might display a little bit flickery on the camera, but in real life, it looks clean. It looks just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Here's the password if you'll need it. Okay, so this is our input power. We basically turned that on at this point. Now we're going to turn on output power. Okay, so now we're going to come over here and we can test out each of the legs, right?
All right.
Right now you're on leg A. Now keep in mind, you can't exceed 45 kVA because that's a 45 kVA unit. So we're not going to exceed that. Okay, right there, that's max.
That's one leg. Now let it cool off a little bit because it'll warm up pretty quick. Okay.
Okay, now doing leg B.
All right, we're ready. Max.
See?
There we go.
Max right there also.
Okay, let it cool off.
Okay. Yeah, you always want to run. If you're going to use a load bank like this, you always want to run it for a little bit to let everything cool down. All right. We didn't run it for very long, so it's not too hot. So we're going to do the reverse of what we just did. Off. Okay. And then now we're going to turn the input power off. Okay. And again, the flickering is just what's coming up on the camera because of the camera's recording frequency.